Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are ready: project ID, billing on if you use paid features, and studio access. Once done, open Firebase console and navigate immediately to Studio for the chosen project. Make sure you connect either the admin SDK or OAuth and grant your account editor role so you can create and edit resources. This avoids permission failures later. Start a new Studio session, name the workspace clearly, and choose the correct region to reduce latency and compliance friction. Once the workspace is ready, define your data model: collections, documents, and explicit field types to prevent runtime surprises. While you create schema, configure security rules, express read and write conditions, and then run the rules simulator to validate common flows. Next, wire backend logic. Create cloud functions or triggers and connect third-party integrations like auth or storage. Make sure to deploy to a staging environment first so you can verify behavior before touching production. This reduces rollback needs and keeps users. You finalize by running a staged deploy from Studio and watching build logs carefully. Fix failures promptly and redeploy. Once deployment completes, execute integration tests and validate security rules against a production-like environment so you catch edge cases. Make sure to verify data flow and authentication paths manually. If things go wrong, start troubleshooting by checking IAM roles, security rules, and server logs. Then reproduce issues locally with the emulator. This narrows causes quickly and lets you iterate fixes with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.